Alright, here we have a Wildwood Platinum. It's going to be a 17bhskx. So this is going to be a similar floor plan to that Jayco you were talking about. It is a fiberglass build. It's a 2023, so it is pre-owned, but ultimately it's going to be a better RV. So fiberglass is just going to hold up better against any type of hail. It's going to have better insulation. It's a little bit lighter. It's built on aluminum and fiberglass, aluminum framing. And then, so that's going to be a lighter but more expensive build overall. It's kind of the outside. Right here. So we're either going to get an outdoor kitchen or storage here. Looks like it has just a little griddle area. Also, you have the mini fridge just kind of tucked away right now. So you have a small outdoor kitchen. Okay. Should have folded this up before I came in here. But here's the Murphy bed. Drop down. Or you can push it up, and this will change to a futon. So, width it up, nice futon area in here, good overhead. Nice cabinetry. This thing's in great condition. Does not look like it was used very much. Probably sat in a storage for a while. Got some bunks back there. Ever-chill refrigerator. Then on this side, you have the nice dinette. Table, of course, drops down, makes a full bed over here. Got some cabinetry all the way underneath, and that's going to be on both sides. And then you got your bathroom. Take one more look at this thing on the outside. It is very clean. If I told you it was brand new, you'd probably believe me until you got the paperwork that says used. So spare tire, place for backup camera, outdoor shower. And this one we have at 19.9, so right under 20,000, 19,900. Let me know if you have any more questions.